Hello, I'm Chef Peter Ryan from Cook Street School of Culinary Arts in Denver, Colorado. Today we're going to talk about cooking in oversized pots, such as these. So what exactly do you cook in pots of this size? Well, typically it's stocks or soups. And what helps cook these stocks or soups is a thick bottom that helps to conduct heat and also prevent anything from scorching to the bottom. This pot over here, though it's thin, it's great for boiling water for pasta, large batches of pasta. And this pot right here, though it looks to be of the same size as this guy right here, this is 100% aluminum, so I don't recommend cooking anything in it that is too acidic or alkaline because the liquid within the pot could actually be tainted from the metals finished on the inside. When it comes to cooking with oversized pots, probably the best thing to remember is be careful moving these things. They're heavy, they're cumbersome, and if you have liquid in them, you're more likely to maybe spill some on you and burn yourself. So be careful when you're working with oversized pots.